Okay, it's amazing how many different kinds of family law problems a family law lawyer has to deal with. The gamut, so many different things: child support, child custody, divorce, so many different things. Can you talk? Someone asked me, what is a summary dissolution, and how is that different than a normal divorce?
So a summary dissolution is a simple and quick process, simpler and quicker than a traditional divorce because there's few court filings, and it basically tells the court that you come to a written agreement. You have very few assets. There's no children involved, and you just want this to be done sooner than later.
And how does it speed it up by doing it that way?
Well, in the sense that you still have to, it still will take the 6 months to do so, but it's just, there's a lot less paperwork. There's fewer court hearings, fewer hurdles that you have to jump through in terms of paperwork that you have to comply with procedurally.
Okay, so in terms of hiring a lawyer, if you have a house and you have children, is it a good idea to hire a family law lawyer because of those kind of things that are at stake?
It is most definitely, because the family law attorney, an experienced one, will help you parse through, all the legal system in terms of what you're entitled to, what things are putting a value on assets, I guess a reasonable visitation plan. Let's say if you and the other party are not, that's a contentious issue, spousal support, child support. So yeah, it is very important when you're thinking of filing for divorce to hire an attorney, especially one that's very experienced in family law.
I mean, if you have like 2 young children, and if you don't get a lawyer, and let's say you have children that are like 4 and 5, and child support can go till they're 18, right?
Yes.
At least. Okay. So if you represent yourself and the judge awards $200 a month for each child, where if you hired a good lawyer, they could have got you $500 a month. Imagine you're losing $300 a month for years and years and years. It could be tens of thousands of dollars that you wasted by not getting a lawyer to make sure you do it right, basically, right?
Yes, that is correct.